So in this video, we're going to finally start talking about what a programming language is. Okay, so what is a programming language? So before I define what a programming language is, I would say we defined a software as a set of instructions that a computer can execute or run to accomplish a task. Okay, so those sets of instructions that a computer needs to receive to accomplish a task, how are they written, or in what format are they given to a computer? And that is where now a programming language comes in. So a programming language, okay, is the instrument that you're going to use to write instructions that a computer can understand. But what is a programming language itself? Okay, what is a programming language? So we should understand that by definition, a programming language is a set of keywords, okay, symbols, rules, and syntax used to write instructions that a computer can understand and execute to accomplish a task. So now that we know that a computer needs to always be given instructions to execute, it is a programming language that we're going to use to write the instructions that a computer should understand and execute, okay, to accomplish a task. That is what a programming language is. So it's basically a combination of keywords, symbols, and also rules on how to arrange these keywords and symbols for those instructions to make sense to a computer. Okay? So an example of a programming language, or of how these symbols and numbers and words might work together might look like this. So let's say you want to add two numbers in a computer program. You're going to say the first number is 2 and the second number is 2. Then I'm going to use the plus symbol, which is a symbol of addition. So after these two have added, we're going to, if you say 2 plus 2 is going to be 4, then we're going to say the word sum, okay, is going to be equal to what? To whatever the value of these two numbers is. That value is going to be stored in the variable what? The variable called sum. So this is a very basic example of how a computer program operates. It's going to use a symbol, uses a number, uses another symbol here, and use some letters and words here as well. So that's how what a computer program looks like. It's just basically a set of keywords, symbols, and rules, okay, and syntax used to write instructions that a computer can understand and execute to accomplish a task. So when a computer uses this rule here, these symbols, and also the rule here. So in case you're wondering what a rule is in this case, the rule would be that for you to add two numbers, the symbol must be placed between those two numbers. That is a rule that a computer program, or that is a rule that the programming language demands that you follow for you to add two numbers. So the way you have arranged these things, the sum is equal to 2 plus 2. This arrangement of words and then symbols, okay, in such a way that the information makes sense to a computer, that a computer can understand. This arrangement of information like this is what you call syntax. Syntax is just simply the arrangement, okay, of these numbers and symbols and keywords to arrange them in such a way that the computer can understand all the instructions. When you arrange them like this, that is what you call syntax. So rules are simply governing outlines on how keywords and symbols must be arranged for a computer to understand in a computer programming language. Okay, so some of the common symbols that you are going to have is going to be the plus operator, which is used for addition, the minus operator, which is going to be used for subtraction, and also the asterisk operator. Some people call it a star. It's an asterisk operator, which is used for multiplication. We're also going to have the ampersands, which is going to be used for the AND operation. We're going to have the two pipes, okay, which is going to be used for the OR operation. We're going to have a percent, which is used as a modulus or used in division to find the remainder. Okay, we're going to have a semicolon which is used to terminate every instruction. This tells the computer that this instruction has come to an end. Go to the next line and execute the next instruction, okay, or the next line of command. Then these two curly brackets, they used to keep instructions. Round brackets are used to keep parameters and also arguments. Okay, so we'll look at the symbols much more in detail, but these are just some of the symbols that you're going to find that are very common in programming languages. Okay, so from those common symbols, you're going to have common keywords. Some of the common keywords you're going to find in the programming language will be the word class, the word int, the word float, the word break, the word switch. Okay, so in conclusion, you must come to an understanding that a programming language is just simply a combination of numbers, symbols, and words that are used together give instructions to what? Give instructions to a computer. So a programming language is just simply a set of keywords, symbols, and also syntax used to write instructions that a computer can first of all understand and then execute to accomplish the given what? The given instruction or task. So that is what a programming language is. We're still going to study more about programming languages before we begin to do the actual programming.